1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. The night begins when we hit 100 likes. See you soon. One, two, 1 2.
Halló, szia Tamás!
Hello.
Na, vagy mit szólnak a többiek?
Hallod, az.
Ráérünk. Hello, Janar.
How are you?
Very good, thank you very much. Over 120 pips today. Amazing.
Indeed.
And yesterday 350 pips. And positions running in profit. I entered into another buy that runs another 33 pips. So 84 pips. So what is it? 60 pips first position, 83 pips second position, 33 pips to third position. So that's over more than 200 pips just alone today.
That's a lot.
It's good money.
Indeed.
People on YouTube think that the stream is gonna start without the 100 likes. No. We don't start the stream without the 100 likes, so keep pushing, guys. Okay, so these are my live positions. I deleted the buy limit. Once again, I deleted the buy limit. Second position running in 83 pips, third position in 32 pips. So overall, it's a very good day, over 200 pips just on gold. Now, gold is struggling to break through the daily pivot, but I think it has every chance and every right to do so. So, gold buy or sell? Have a look on my chart, and I think it is the perfect opportunity to enter into this position, which I'm about to do now. Oops, sorry, I'm showing my screen. No, guys, hit the 100 likes and you can see it. So, team on the Zoom, I'm entering into another position, but this is going to be a little bit smaller. Can you see the screen?
Yes.
All right. Do it. Okay, 94 likes on YouTube. I think I'm gonna start the stream. So welcome everyone. Overall, I am cautiously bullish on gold for technical and fundamental reasons. You can see that, and I'm gonna start with the technicals because it's easier to explain. More people can digest it. You can see on the screen that we have the, it looks like a bull flag or a downward sending channel. And so far price have been perfectly respected the bottom trend line. And that was one of the entries yesterday. And we had another entry this morning and another entry just before the stream and one at now. So I just entered into another buy position, and let me show you my screen. You can see that the bottom half a lot position was entered, everything was entered today. The lowest position is running in 80 pips profit, second one 30 pips, and the top one is obviously only entered now into buy position, is running in break even or zero. The reason why I entered high just below the pivot is because I have enough room to wiggle. The other two positions can pay for any drawdown for the highest position. Now this is hedging, so you can hedge with same positions, and hedging is not opening buy and sell positions. That is a stupid thing. So real hedging is when you create enough buffer from winning positions so that you can enter into another position. And is it too late to enter into buy? No, I don't think so. I think it's still time to enter into buy. But anyway, just a quick sound check and video check. Can you see me? Can you hear me?
Yes and yes.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, have a look on the open positions. 3 pips of profit again. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Yes, I just entered into another buy position, but I'm going to show you why you need to be very careful. And I have another 2 position with floating profit, and that's enough to cover any losses from the top position. But if you want to enter now, here's my view. My view today on gold is cautiously bullish. You can see this channel right here, and because we had quite a disappointing few days from China, I mean yesterday and today there was no new news coming out from China apart from, you know, that there's no additional stimulus. And let's have a look at the markets data. Let's see how our Asian friends closed in Far East. You can see that the Hang Seng index is closed in, it's negative. Yesterday was -10, today it's only -1.38%. Nikkei was a little bit more resilient. All the other stocks closed so far or still in you know, in profit. So because we had the negative news from China, I mean negative, there was no extra stimulus that everyone was expecting. I entered into a buy this morning on gold because we know that gold historically one of the favored assets in Asia. Any questions so far?
No questions.
Yeah, better. But we have a pivot to break through, and it's going to be quite difficult for gold. It bounced off just a few pips below the pivot, and now it's bouncing off again. So chances are high that price is going to, you know, consolidate within this range. We have a bottom, which is the bottom trend line, and we have a top, which was the previous support that became a resistance. So anything is possible. Unfortunately, we don't have any important economic data today. What's
Only
your view?
minute.
Yeah, the meeting minutes is going to be
Yep.
right.
Yep, and that's all.
Yeah, everyone is so excited about the meeting minutes. Oh, we're going to live
Yes.
trade the meeting minutes. Have you ever read the meeting minutes? That is my first question always.
Yeah,
Yeah, I know you did, but 90% of the traders, those who, many of them who watching YouTube, and there's so many people like in the silly Telegram groups that they just, oh, FOMC meeting minutes, and they have no clue that it's an actual meeting minutes. They think it's something, you know, magical or something something else, but it's just a piece of paper with notes on it. It's a minute.
Indeed.
But even if they read it, they're unable to. Oh, look at that! Gold just pulled back a little bit. Look! Okay. So you see, this is why it's important that when you know what is hedging, that I'm not losing any money, because I hedged with the runners the top position, and if I get closed out, I'm still in profit. We don't have any data now.
no.
Ah, okay, we do have Bostic or Bostic who's speaking right now.
Well, we had COMEX open too, 2 minutes
Mhm.
back. That's why.
So the next hurdle gold needs to break through. First of all, it just started creating a consolidation at this level right here. Above that, we have the daily pivot, which so far is very resilient. So in order for price to continue higher, we need to break through, but we don't have any catalyst. We might have war-related news. We might have market sentiment, because who knows what news is going to be tomorrow.
Well, let's gonna hope GP gonna be lower.
CPI, yeah. Tomorrow is going to be CPI.
And pre-dive was PPI.
Which is another set of inflation measure.
Indeed.
Yeah, guys, but we're back into consolidation mode. So this is, I'm going to delete because that was in the morning. It's no longer valid. I got closed out from the positions on the top. So that was like minus 10 pips or something. Nothing major. Question is gold going to have enough juice to fill up all this gap it created just before CPI, or is it going to drop?
I think not.
Yeah, I can't see anything else. I know many people came here for signals.
Well, I
But
think you give pretty good signal for them. They know it's range, so they can sell.
yeah.
So
Yeah, yesterday 350 pips. Today is in VIP. We already made money, but by the time I go on YouTube, probably close most of the profits. Adam Spice is asking, do I only focus on gold? Or no, I focus on many other things. I focus on, making sure that my hair is okay. I do analyze other things as well, quite often, but recently, gold gave enough job for me. Yesterday was top. Yeah, yesterday was very good.
You trade? Can I ask something?
Do I trade?
You trade basically mostly GPY, Japanese yen, and gold, right? And US 30.
No, sometimes I adventure to, GBP USD, GBP Japanese yen, Euro dollar, Euro sterling, but I'm most comfortable with gold. I mean, that's my signature in it.
What do you recommend for someone who's starting trading, to focus on one pair or?
Yes, the less is more. Because
okay.
if you start, how long? When did you start trading, Adam?
Yeah, to be honest, with demo account 4 years ago, but I crashed always the demo account, and then I joined your group, but not really focused. So I made no profits, still using demo account.
Yeah, it's but why don't you go and upload 100 euros, let's say, and just use the smallest available position sizes, because training on a demo is only gonna take you to a level, and that's it. But if you use live account, even if it's just very it's like trading penny stocks, so you're playing with cents and pennies. It's going to help you to commit yourself. It's going to help you to sit down to the chart, because you have money on the stake, and that is going to help you significantly with your psychology. Do you read financial news, Adam?
I do. At least I try. I do.
At least I try. What's an honest answer? Thank you.
Yeah, to be honest.
I know it's very boring, it's very dry, it's painful for non-financiers to read financial news. Have you traded interest rate decision with me before?
I was watching.
And you know exactly how the market can move when you understand the countries. I mean, each currency represents pretty much the whole country, the whole nation. Euro is the Euro area. Sterling is the United Kingdom. Dollar is the United States of America. And behind it, there's so many drivers can alter the currency exchange rate. For example, monetary policy. So here's a good advice. If you want to trade GBP Japanese yen, maybe focus only on that pair, but understand the monetary policy in both countries. Understand the current situation economically in both countries. How much is the inflation? How much is the unemployment? How much is the the GDP? Things like that. Is the country in a recession? Is the country in a boom?
Yeah.
And then you can start trading.
What do you think about Bitcoin? Like Bitcoin again?
Nothing.
Bitcoin USD?
Nothing.
I
don't trade it.
I took FTMO challenge of 10K, and then I passed the challenge. I was trading Bitcoin USD. I think I got luck, and then after I crashed my account, so I lost the account.
What do you think the reason was you lost your account? What were the reasons?
I wasn't consistently. I was taking too much trades on that day. I just didn't focus. I mean, I had before I had a rule like only take 2 trades per day, and on that day I get greedy, and I lost and I did like revenge trading. And then I crashed my whole account. So that was the reason.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and I shouldn't trade in the office because behind me, my boss is sitting
No.
and he's watching on my monitors. I'm working for a bank. And yeah, I was a little bit nervous. And then I took my phone under the desk,
And
empty
the
floor.
toilet.
Yeah, and fucked up my account. Sorry for saying fucked up.
It's okay.
And
Just gonna ban me on YouTube. Yeah, it's
sorry.
No, you shouldn't trade at work if it's not allowed. You shouldn't trade at work if you worried that someone is going to see you. You shouldn't trade if you worry that what people are going to say. It's a whole different game. If you want to be really, really committed, if you want to be a professional trader, you have to commit everything you have. I mean, yeah, it's not easy. I knew I want to be a trader, so I went to university to study economics. I knew I want to work in banking and finance. I didn't know I want to be a trader. I only figured out when I walked into the Morgan Stanley trading floor in my first year at university, because I was an intern at Morgan Stanley London. Immediately, I knew I want to be here. Since that day, every action, every decision, every minute in my life was about to be a trader.
Cool. Yeah, I'm surrounded by traders. Actually, I work for a bank. I do the IT for the traders, and sometimes I can ask them. But yeah, and one day I asked someone. They traded like platinum. And
Sorry. In the meantime, I'm going to close down that running position. So I'm going to lock in that 115 pounds because gold is dropping hard. And as I said, gold is now back into this consolidation. So if it comes back to the bottom, then maybe we're going to have a buying opportunity. So this is my view. Gold is going to range until tomorrow or tonight.
Cool.
It's not cool.
Yeah.
It's sad. Well, yesterday was a good day after 350 pips. Well, I think it was almost 400 pips. 425 pips. We have a consolidating day, so there's not much to say or trade. Scalpers, good luck. It's your day.
Good evening, Thomas.
Good afternoon.
Good morning, Thomas. Good afternoon.
Hello, Mike. How are you?
Great, thank you. You were just mentioning that it's a good day for scalpers. I thought maybe some people don't really understand what you meant there. Maybe elaborate a little bit on how a scalper might take advantage of this situation.
If gold, and only if that situation, if gold continues to consolidate, which in my opinion, this is only personal opinion, this is not financial advice, I think because first of all, we don't have anything in the economic calendar. So that's one reason. We don't have any new developments in the war. We had CPI tomorrow, sorry. There is no catalyst, so most likely gold is going to consolidate within this range. And what it looks like a range, it has a ceiling at around 2623 and a bottom right here at just above 2600, 2605. So my best guess today is that gold is going to range and close out the buyers, close out the sellers, and that's my view. And scalpers can benefit from this range if they sell at the top and buy at the bottom. And if you look closely, it doesn't look big on the chart, but this is an actually 150 pip range if it's to range. So 150 pip range for a scalper, like fucking Christmas. Heavy lots, small stop loss, sell at the top, buy at the bottom. But for me, it's just too risky. I don't normally scalp anymore. Because once you get into the spiral, oh, just one more, and you end up, you know, losing.
Right. Yeah, but if you can do it skillfully, you can rack up a lot of pips in that range.
Yeah, let's go to live, and maybe it's a little bit late entry, but let's enter a bit. Let's say go down to a little bit lower time frame. $36, $35. Futures trader, gold is about to move back up a bit. It may going to break out from the consolidation. Who knows? The problem is there's not much to trade on today. Okay, let's do some live scalping.
Thomas, who have 5 lot there.
Yep, I know.
You just bought?
Yes, but am I going to close it down? I'm expecting. Yeah, out
Right,
of
I
this
missed
one
that
now.
one.
And I'm going
I
to
missed
change
that one, but
direction
when it-
now.
I missed that one, but when it gets to the top, I'm going to sell.
I haven't scalped for, I think, a year or two.
Hello, Punanis.
Hey, Adrian.
Hey.
I'm also in the sell from 2620. It's on break even now. After 35-40 pips in profit.
So
Let's see.
Scalping with heavy lots is you have the highest rate of stop loss hits.
Yes.
That's why I hate to do it. But you know, there's nothing else to do. So why don't we just, you know, gamble a little bit? But don't gamble. It's bad. Don't do it. And you see already 6 pips. So if you scalp with heavy lots, it's already £300. I had £100 losing just a minute ago. And you can rack up easily, you know, hundreds of pounds or hundreds in dollars, even thousands if you use heavier lots. But I don't recommend.
It's very risky.
It is, especially with people with weak psychology or weak mentality. Not weak mentality, but some kind of psychological weakness. It can turn into some really, really bad gambling, and you know, I don't want anyone to get caught up in that shit.
Yes.
testicular fortitude is what you're looking for.
Yeah, it provides the same gambler's high.
No, I'm out. I'm out. I won £100. That's it. I'm not scalping anymore. Let's do a catalyst today, so maybe 10 lot. How about I do 10 lot? And now market is moving down.
Good for me.
You know, I could have booked £500 just now because price already dropped another 6 pips.
You haven't. Yesterday you got catch 350 pips.
Yeah,
This
I like to
fucker-
sleep.
This bad fucker stopped me out at 26.52 for 2 pips, and then it dropped for 400 pips almost.
Oh, man.
Fucking hell. My position was 3 lots, and my TP was 26.20, and I said, what's up, bro?
There would have been some very, very nice...
Yes. This is 7,500 bucks, you know?
man.
Crazy. Yes, but it's all about 2 pips.
Well, tomorrow is another day and you have CPI. It's going
My
to
first
be...
trade today was 60 pips in profit. How much? I set this fucker on break even. It comes back. And
No,
yes,
no.
this is I break my rules. I don't take the 50 pips. You know, bro? I told you, 50 pips a day keeps the doctor away.
It's
And
very
now,
true.
and now I set my TP around 40 to 50 pips.
Let me
And
show you something. We just talked about this consolidation, and Mike asked me about what do I mean. It's a scalper's paradise. Well, if you look at this consolidation, it appears to be it's going to be a consolidation. You can see that this range, if we just look at the closing
Yes.
prices, that is about 120 pips, 130 pips. Let's
Mm-hmm.
just be more accurate. So this range, 142 pips. Mate, 142 pips. Even if you enter a little bit late, you
Onda.
can still catch that 40 pips you were
आपको
talking
भेजा था
about.
मैंने भूल गए आप
Oh, Manjit is in trouble.
my actual trade is risk free at break even, and my TP is 26.13 because I don't trust him to go to the 26.05 levels now. That's why I choose the 26.13 as TP.
That's reasonable because that's well within this range.
Yes, it's a good goal. And the 2620 level is yes, it's like it's an algo. It's an algo level. All the numbers 25, 55. This is crazy how gold reacts at this point in the chart. Oh, 800.
I'm just looking at the chart. It may goes a little bit lower, but you know today is pretty much a guessing game. If anyone tells you they know where price is going, I sign up.
Imagine how much money you have made now at the moment.
With the sell.
Yes.
Yeah, it wouldn't probably I would be around 1,000, but I think gold is going to pull a little bit dirty move to the downside, close out everyone, come down to around the 2600 would be my ideal target, and then bounce back up within the range. So even with this setup, New York is 45 minutes away. That means if I enter into a sell of, let's say, 1.5 lot, and this is mostly on technicals and, you know, gut feeling. If I keep the range, that would give me £1,830, and I just entered into a sell, speculating on dirty swing to the downside, scooping up liquidity, as
I have a buy limit at 26.05.
I would put it maybe a little bit lower, but what is the stop loss?
25.98.
Okay, I'm gonna close down this buy position because that's really confusing many people. Are we buying or selling? Well, just look at the timestamp. You know, something like this. Or maybe up and down, who knows. Today is very, very quiet.
Yes, very quiet, slow.
The more I look at the charts, the different things I see, which is not
Yes.
good. It's not good.
I think we'll move closer to 2600 before CPI.
That would make sense.
Tomorrow is
Another
CPI, isn't it?
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Then we see us tomorrow again?
No, I will be away for a week.
Yeah. Ah, I read it.
Yeah,
Correct.
yeah.
Yes, yes. Okay.
Andre, you're gonna make Zoom live.
I'm not. I won't.
Andre gonna Zoom live.
Andre.
Yeah.
Who's Andre?
Forex Andre. He's in Dubai. No.
He's Adrian. He's Adrian. It's a different Andre. It's the German
Same,
Andre.
Same, but different. Same, but different. Abu Dhabi.
Oh, look at that. 6 pips of profit, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes.
Oh, come back. John Batty, FOMC meeting minutes tonight. Yes, brother, there will be. Good luck. Read the whole paper. Fascinating reading. I would stay up just to read it. What is your expectation in crude oil? Gonna go up. Elections coming up in a few weeks.
Oil was at 78 last week. Now it's back to 73.
Okay, guys, I'm leaving. I just want to say hello to the team, to you, Tamas.
Thank you so much for coming in, brother.
Yes, bro.
Have a good one.
Yes,
Oh,
thank you. All the best.
Guy, don't forget that tomorrow. Yeah, bye, Adrian.
Bye.
Bye, Adrian.
Bye, bye, guys. Bye, team.
Yeah. See you next time.
Yes, of course.
Tomorrow is CPI, and it's going to be a banger. So many people expecting it because recently there were some very mixed data. NFP all over the place, jobless claims going up and down, unemployment claim or unemployment rate gone back below 4% again. So it's going to be very, very volatile. So if you want to protect your account, please use the Forex deposit bonus. It is very good. It's very good because it's free money, and 50% deposit bonus. So I highly recommend everyone to use it. What I'm talking about is if you go to the Forex C website, link below the video, you can get, well, first of all, 50% deposit bonus. So if you deposit 1,000, you get an extra 500, and you can trade with it. You can't withdraw it because that would be just silly. You can't withdraw it. Plus, you get access to the Forex C signal service, which is very, very good if you filter it down to high probability signals. But let's ask the team, how many of you have used the signals?
I have.
I mean,
They are pretty good
They are good.
and very accurate most of the times.
General feedback for these Forex signals are that they are good, the high probability ones. And it's not all 100%, but it's provided by Equity, which is a financial market data provider. They do AI and all kind of things, automation, and their signals is one of the best in the market. So link below the video. Sign up, and tomorrow is CPI, so make sure that you protect your capital, because that is the most important thing. You deposit 2,000, you get an extra $1,000 to trade with. I mean, the worst thing you can happen is you blow the broker's money, and then you can withdraw your capital. This is why it's important to be smart and protect your capital. So until that, if you want to trade with me, you know where to find me. Link below the video. Actually, I won't be trading CPI tomorrow, so maybe come back next week. But anyway, thank you so much, guys, for today. The market is very quiet, most likely going to consolidate. I wish you good luck today and for tomorrow's CPI, and I will be back 21st. Yeah, 21st of October. I will be back. Thank you so much. See you later.
All right.
see you,
Bye,
Thomas.
Thomas.
Have a nice
Thank you
week.
so much.
Thank you. Have a nice break.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank
See you
Bye-bye.
later, alligator.
Bye bye, butterfly. So thank you so much, guys. If you watched the stream, remember, use the Forex C deposit bonus because it's free money. It's stupid if you not use it. If you want to sign up to the AlphaFX community, link is below the video, alphafx.eu. Thank you so much, and see you later. I'm out for a week. Mm.